In this video, I'm going to give you a straight to the point review on Cloudways hosting. As you can see, I'm in the dashboard of my Cloudways account. I have been using this service for the last couple of months and I am impressed with the performance and support so far. This is going to be a full review for non-techies, so even if you got no previous experience with cloud hosting, after watching this video, you'll be able to use Cloudways like butter. If that's what you like, let's get into it. First, go to the link in description to get a 30% discount link for the first 3 months and sign up. You are getting 30% off continuously, not for 1 month, but for 3 months. Fill out the details here. It's fairly easy. Then once you sign up, you will get a dashboard like this. And some of you might be wondering what makes Cloudways an easy cloud hosting platform. This is because Cloudways enables you to take advantage of high-speed hosting servers without needing a system level admin to look after things. Cloudways acts as a one-click control panel which makes life so easier. Let's start by deploying a server. Click on add server. Select a WordPress. You can also select WooCommerce, PHP, Laravel, Magento. For this, I'm going to select WordPress. Name something. Name test site, test server, test purpose. Now you have the option to select from DigitalOcean, Vultr, Linode, AWS, and Google Cloud Platform. I'll suggest you go with DigitalOcean. Now, if you're just starting out, the 1 GB is more than enough. And as your site's traffic increases, you can always come to your account and increase the server resources. For this purpose, for this video, I'm going to select 1 GB. And you have a variety of locations to select from: London, Frankfurt, New York, Singapore, San Francisco, Sydney, Toronto. For this, I'm going to select New York and click on launch now. Now see here, it says $14 monthly, but if you go through my link in the description, you get 30% off for the first 3 months. Click on launch now. Now it's going to take some time and the server is created. As you can see, the servers will be listed here. If you click on servers again, you will see here. And if you click the www, you will see the applications. You can also click on applications here and you will see the test site. Click on test site. And here you have the details for your WordPress. You have the WordPress admin URL, the WordPress username, and the password. The username will be your Cloudways account email. Now Cloudways gives you a default URL. This will remain here until you connect a domain. Now let's connect a domain. Go to domain management. Now instead of adding the domain directly into Cloudways, we are going to route the domain through Cloudflare. This is because Cloudflare has a free CDN and that will make your website load fast, and Google loves fast websites. Now let's add the domain to Cloudflare. I'm going to add the domain workdemo.site. My domain is with Porkburn. You can have your domain at GoDaddy, Namecheap, Namezilla. It doesn't matter. It's the same process. Copy. Click on add site. Now, if you do not already have an account at Cloudflare, just create an account. It's free. Add a site. Add site. Click on free. Continue. Click on continue. Now we are going to add this Cloudflare name servers to our domain register. Click on copy. Details. Name servers. Edit. Delete these default name servers. Copy the second name server. Submit. And we are done here. Click on done, check name servers, finish later. Now it's going to take some time. And we have the domain added. Now we have to get the Cloudways server IP. This is your Cloudways server IP. Copy. Go to DNS. First delete these records. Delete. Add an A record. Add. Leave it on proxy. Save. Add a CNAME record. www. Proxy. Save. And we are done here. Domain management. Add domain. Add domain. Click on these three dots. Make primary. Set as primary. As you can see, that domain is added. Let's open our site. Let's do some changes. Copy. Login. Let's remove these extra themes. Delete. Now you should always use either generate press or extra theme. For this, I'm going to use a generate press. Activate. And the theme is added. Let's do some changes here. Click on post name, permalink, save changes, and you are good to go. Now let's install an SSL certificate. Let's encrypt. Install certificate. And as you can see, let's encrypt certificate installed successfully. Let's check the SSL checker. www.workdemo.site. And as you can see, SSL is installed. Now here in the monitoring tab, you have traffic, PHP, MySQL, running crons, disk usage. Now here it monitors what kind of traffic you are getting. You do not have to touch any of the settings. Let it stay default. Now disk usage, it shows you how much space you have consumed. These are the logs. It will show you any error log if your server bot protection. You do not need bot protection from Cloudways because you are already using Cloudflare, and Cloudflare gives amazing bot protection. Now you can take backup, and Cloudways also has an offsite backup solution. Means they take a backup of your website and keep in an external server, and they charge a small price for that. They charge around 0.033 per GB of backup storage, but I do not recommend you doing this. Instead, just go to plugins, add new, use a plugin WP Vivid. Now this plugin is totally free irrespective of the size of your website. Just take a daily backup here and keep it in a USB hard drive. This is much more safer and cost friendly. Let's go back. Application settings. You do not have to touch any of the settings. Let it stay default. Migration tools. I will explain this in a bit. I will show you a live migration. Here you can view your server details. This is the project's associated test purpose. And this is where you can add members to your account. Let's say you are working on a big project and you have employees and you want to assign them selective roles instead of giving access to your whole Cloudways account. So you come here, click here to add. Enter the email address of your employee. select status active, enter the member name, select job title. You can select anything, it doesn't matter. And let's say you want to give them the support access only, but that team member will not have access to the console area and the billing area. And in case you need help with anything, they're always here to help you 24/7, 365. Now let's make a business email for a website. More options, add-ons. Cloudways do not give you a free business email. They only charge $1 for a business email via Rackspace email. And if you ask me, $1 a month is justified because they have a good deliverability rate. Unlike some other business email providers. Click on this pencil. Click add mailbox. Hello at workdemo.site. Click on save changes. As you can see, the mailbox is added. You can also forward all the emails coming to your business email to your Gmail. So let's go add forwarding. Forwarding is free. Hello workdemo.site. To keep up at gmail.com. Save changes. Email forwarding has been set up. Now let's send a test email. But before we do that, we have to add some mail records into our Cloudflare account. We have to add these records into our Cloudflare account. Let's open Cloudflare. Add MX. Priority 10. 10. Priority 20. TXT. Auto discover. CNAME. Now let's send a test email. Send. Let's check the email. Check email. As you can see, we have received the email. Now remember, we have forwarded this email to our Gmail. So you do not have to open this webmail. You can always get these emails to your Gmail. So let's go to our Gmail. See? Hey, how's working? Let's catch up. One more thing I forgot to tell you is that Cloudways has teamed up with Astra to provide the Astra Pro theme for absolutely free for the first year. After that, it's only $4 per month for unlimited sites. And if you were to buy directly from Astra, you would not get the monthly payment option. You would have to pay $47 at once. But with Cloudways, you get the first year for absolutely free and you can use it on unlimited sites. Now let's come to the migration tools. Let's say you have your site with another hosting. You want to migrate the site into Cloudways. It is very simple. Now this is one of my demo sites. This site is with inter-server hosting. I'm going to migrate this site into Cloudways. Oh, and you can always ask for a free migration. You get one free migration once you create an account at Cloudways. Just head on to the live chat support and they will migrate your site for free. Or if you want to do it yourself, follow these steps. Search Cloudways. Cloudways WordPress Migrator. Install now. Activate. Put your Cloudways account's email address here. We have to add another WordPress. Select test server, add application, WordPress 6.1. Test purpose, add application. It's going to take approx 2 minutes. Copy this URL, server address, database name, MySQL access, DB name, copy this, paste, SFTP username, copy, paste, password. Keep this no, yes, yes, no, and click on migrate. As you can see, your site is being migrated to Cloudways. Now it's going to take some time depending on the size of your website. And the migration is complete. Let's go back to Cloudways. See, we have the entire website migrated into Cloudways. Now we have to add the domain name here. Copy the server IP. Let's go to Cloudflare. We just have to change the server IP, DNS, edit, paste, save. And we are done here. Domain management, add domain, allgaminglist.com, add domain, select the domain, 3 dots, make primary, set as primary. Let's add SSL certificate. Let's encrypt. Install certificate. And the SSL is installed. Now let's do website speed test. This is GT metrics. As you can see, the largest contentful paint is 425 milliseconds, not even 1 second. Imagine how fast the server and the site is. Let's change location. Retest. 496 milliseconds. Now these are amazing scores. So yeah, that's about it for this video. If you want to enjoy high performance cloud hosting at very affordable budget cost, do not wait any longer. Make the shift. Use the link in description to get 30% discount today for the first 3 months and start using Cloudways. And if you have any questions regarding this, let me know in the comments below. I'm always here for you.